Hello everybody, my name is Alex Bailish from Care First Training Group. We teach parents to professionals on how to save a life. I just wanted to take this time to go over a couple of basic first aid skills during the week. Uh, First thing that we're going to talk about, especially with the coronavirus being so prevalent, is glove removal. I know there's a lot of people that know how to do this already, but there's some people that are using gloves and they've never actually taken them off the proper way. And this is something that you can do, which is really simple, but could really help to stop the spread. After you do whatever it is that you do and you have your gloves on, the proper way to take off gloves, you take whichever hand you feel comfortable with, and you're going to pinch the top. You notice how I don't touch the skin and I rip it off, just like so. And then I crumple it with the gloved hand. I'm still not touching the outside of the glove. I take my hand, turn it over, put my two fingers underneath so that I'm still on the inside. And then I'm going to flip it over and it'll all be self-contained. This is a great way if you have any cuts or anything on your hands. You want to make sure that you don't get anything on you and you don't give anything. Again, this is Alex Bailish, Care First Training Group. Hopefully you enjoy this video and hopefully we'll be able to provide more content once we're up and running again and we can offer classes. We offer classes in Summit as well as Edison, New Jersey, as well as we do online classes. As soon as we're back up and running, you can go to the link in the bio and we can offer your CPR, first aid, babysitting, and OSHA classes. Thank you.